you guys for putting up with me. I am a jokester at heart. If I'm not having fun with it, then it becomes repetitive and boring, and we just can't have that. So I am constantly trying to laugh at myself and have fun with this all. So thanks for putting up with it. Can't say it won't be forever because it probably will be. That's just who I am. Anywho, thanks for joining me back here at Kirsties'Karz. It is a beautiful Monday out, which is something that I never say because I totally dislike Mondays. But it's gonna be a good day today, and it's because I'm gonna make it that way. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to clean up this whole mess. There's so much mess everywhere. It's literally suffocating me. There's no more room to put spare parts. There's no room to even think. So I am going to completely reorganize everything, and then I am going to do some more stuff on the Nova. So let's go. Great, so I just wanted to show you guys what I meant a little bit by there's parts everywhere. Is literally they're everywhere. They're taking over my pool table. That's 454 block that I have no idea what I'm gonna do with. M21 Muncie. Tons of random stuff. Bits and bobs, parts and pieces. There's boxes, bushings, and all sorts of stuff that I gotta do to the car still. And we come over to the real station here. Show you guys a little bit of what I meant by categorized. I mean, there's a lot of tiny pieces, guys. Lots of stuff. All sorts of stuff. It's a fun time, but it's a lot funner when it's all organized. Popping in for a little update in between doing things. I just got the, what is that, a hatch trunk door? Hide the spare tire in here and stuff. Got that taken off. Taking out the lights. Just gonna get ready for bodywork time. Guys, check out how empty it is in here. Woo! We're getting there. Okay, you guys, you saw it. I got the gauge cluster out, and as always, there's new surprises. Check this out. For some reason, there is a pencil in there. Oh, I don't know why. You never know when you might need one, I guess. But yeah. Oh, that's in there. Good. Almost feel like if I pull it out, the whole car will fall apart. No, but really, guys, I got this all taken apart finally. Woo! That's the line for the speedometer. It took off a ground right there. And a few other things. And it came right off. Looks like fun.